Hello, in this video I try to teach you how to do the isolation of master unit, slave 1 unit and slave 2 unit. Example, this one is the normal status of the condenser unit. This one is Daikin, right? This one you need to press and hold this base1 button. Press and hold to 5 seconds. And now you go to setting mode 2. Setting mode 2, then you can change to parameter. Example, I need to go to master unit. I need to isolate the inverter compressor number 1. So you go to 38. You just press and hold this one until it goes to 38. Up, over. So now it's over. So I need to press this one. Then you come back. I need to go 38. Right? Then I need to press this base3 button one time. Okay. Now it's 0. I need to press set button one time. This one is inverter compressor number 1. If I need to press again, compressor number 2. This number 3 is the whole condenser unit. You need to isolate, prohibit to run because some spare parts is spoiled or faulty. Okay, then after that, example, I need to isolate the inverter compressor number 1 only. So I need to put this one in 1. Then you press this one to 2 times. 1, 2. And then now the inverter compressor is isolated. So now I need to go to slave 1. Slave 1, you need to isolate. You need to do in the master unit only. You cannot do to slave 1 unit, condenser unit, slave 2 condenser unit. You can do it only these settings in the master unit. You need to go 39. 39 is the slave 1 unit. You go to 39. Example 39 is the slave 1 unit is all the compressor is faulty or compressor 1 only faulty. You need to go to 39. Then after you press this one, this one slave 1 inverter compressor 1, slave 1 inverter compressor number 2, slave 1 whole condenser unit. You need to isolate. Then after you press this enter button, base 3, 1, 2, then it goes to 0 is normal. To 0 is then go on to 40 is the slave 2 number 40. Kaya ni